kind of with a general overview, just to make sure that if you got it, make sure you do have it, for real. And if you were kind of confused when I explained it a couple weeks ago, that we clarified things for you, okay? So, key signatures. I need someone to read for me the first little paragraph there that we have there at the top of the page. Need somebody to read for me, please, Morgan? Go for it. Thank you, baby.
A key signature is a selection of sharps or flags immediately to the right of the club in each line of music. The sharps or flags contained in the key signature tell you that those pitches will be sharpened and selected. Sharpened characters must be the natural automatic music. For example, an F sharp in the key signature tells you that every F music will be played or sung is the
Very good. So the very first thing you're gonna do is name the notes. If a note is sharp or flat in the key signature, include a sharp or flat in the note's name, okay? So, like in measure 3, you see a natural sign and then you see a note, okay? So, when you name it, it'll be the letter and then the natural sign after it, okay? So, go through that for me, please. Number 1. To review, someone read the next section for me, please, Maya. To review, at the bottom.
Bottom or bottom?
To review.
Okay. To review, key signature. Sharps or flats found next to the clef that apply to the whole piece of music. Accidentals. Individual sharps, flats, or naturals found in the music that only apply to a single measure.
Good. All right. The next thing you're going to do is answer the questions about this line of music. All right. They ask you what's in the key signature. So you're going to tell me what's the accidentals in the key signature. What accidentals do you see? And what are the first 2 notes in the second measure? Okay. As you have noticed during your sight reading, that the note that is called 1 or do changes in different pieces. This note, 1 or do, is called the tonic note, or tonic, or the home key, or the home note, or home tone. So, the tonic in a note, the tonic note in a piece is the note around which the whole piece revolves, okay? So, when the melody returns to 1 or to do, at the end of a section, you feel as if everything is complete. You feel like you've arrived, okay? So, because of this feeling, we say that pieces are written in specific keys. And so when we have key signatures at the beginning of the piece, like we were talking about yesterday, that's how we figure out what do is or what the home tone is, okay? Good, hey y'all. Every key has a key signature, even if there's no sharps or flats. We know that key as what? C, good. So, for number 3, you'll learn how to identify major keys based on the sharps in the key signature, okay? So, for the third thing that you have to do, you have to order your, the order of the sharps, okay? So, sharps always go in the specific order. Remember, F is your first sharp, then C sharp, then G sharp, then D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and then B sharp. Like it says, memorize it. Alright? And then it says it on the page for you. They are always written in these places. It always goes in that order. Okay? So if you have 1 sharp, it's always going to be what? F sharp. If you have 2 sharps, what 2 sharps do you have? F sharp and C sharp. If you have 3 sharps, you're going to have F sharp, C sharp, and on and on.
Number 1 is A sharp.
Number 1 would not be A sharp. Number 1, the exercise number 1. The exercise number 1 is not A sharp. When it makes 3 lines, that is not A sharp because there's no sharp on the A space. So it's just what by itself? You have the right letters. It's just A. Yeah. If there's no accidental on the letter name on the staff, then it's not a sharp or a flat. So that one, the letter is A, but there's no sharp or flat on the A on the staff, so there's no accidental. So don't put an A there. Don't put an accidental there if there's not one. Okay? Just don't put an accidental there if there's not one in the staff. Okay? Alright, so there the order of sharps are always written in these places. You're gonna copy the order of sharps twice, okay? And get used to writing on a small staff because that's about the size of most of your music, okay? When it's written like that. Alright, I'll give you 5 minutes. It's pretty straightforward and most of you have probably already started anyway. Just make sure that you got the right stuff, okay? This one we're not gonna go over together, so that means that I will be grading this pretty strenuously, okay? Alright, so make sure you put your name on it and the date. I'll give you a little bit more time. I'll give you 10 minutes. Destiny, did you finish?